Rivian R1S achieves unprecedented feat, conquering the formidable Rubicon Trail. In a remarkable display of electric ingenuity and unyielding determination, the Rivian R1S has etched its name in the annals of automotive history, standing as a testament to cutting-edge engineering. The R1S SUV has accomplished an awe-inspiring milestone, cementing its status as the first production electric vehicle to conquer the treacherous Rubicon Trail, a legendary off-road crucible renowned for testing the mettle of even the most rugged machines. Setting the stage for this audacious endeavor, Rivian's intrepid test and development team embarked on their mission on a crisp August morning. From the Loon Lake entrance, situated south of the picturesque Lake Tahoe and straddling the California-Nevada border, with unwavering resolve, they navigated the uncharted expanse, threading their way over a grueling 12-mile stretch of unforgiving terrain that included vertiginous inclines, unyielding rock formations, and formidable boulders, ultimately reaching the revered Tahoma staging area. The Rivian R1S, equipped with its formidable quad-motor configuration, stood resolute, its 34-inch Pirelli all-terrain tires gripping the earth with steadfast determination, while adorned with select equipment such as front tow hitch receivers, steel rock sliders, and a purposeful roof rack. The R1S remained essentially stock, a testament to its inherent capability. Throughout this arduous odyssey, the R1S harnessed its battery reserves with prudence, embarking with an 80% state of charge sock and valiantly traversing the trail's demanding gauntlet, culminating with a tenacious final surge that left the vehicle with under 10% remaining range. A modest level to charger stood as the beacon of rejuvenation at the journey's end. Notably, the trail's exigencies had drawn significantly from the battery's well, with roughly 75% of the total pack energy expended, an equivalence to 3 gallons of conventional fuel. The Rubicon Trail, known not only for its daunting challenges, but also its remote isolation, requires a transcendence of both mechanical prowess and human skill. It was a stage where communication via modern mobile networks is rendered impossible, demanding a reliance on radio signals to traverse its labyrinthine path. A masterful ballet of driving acumen unfolded, a dance where the R1S navigated with finesse through tight turns, negotiated precarious off-camber sections, and exhibited meticulous tire placement on obstacles that demanded nothing short of precision and deftness. In an encapsulating video shared by Rivian on Twitter, the R1S emerges as a conquering hero, its tires bravely splashing through rivers, its form adapting to the undulating rock formations, and its audacious spirit unshaken, even as it brushes against nature's challenges. Yet, this electrifying triumph was no solitary endeavor. Amidst the Rubicon's unforgiving embrace, two quad-motor pre-production R1T electric trucks and a specially prepared Jeep Wrangler stood as steadfast allies. A symphony of mechanical prowess echoed, yielding a triumphant chorus that resonated through the rugged landscape. While the R1S emerged unscathed from the ordeal, a few cosmetic reminders of the trail's intensity adorned its surface, serving as badges of honor, tangible testaments to the formidable journey undertaken. Indeed, the Rivian R1S transcended the boundaries of convention, exemplifying an unquenchable thirst for adventure. With a ground clearance reaching heights of 14.9 inches and a waterfording prowess that crosses over 3 feet, the R1S emerges as a formidable companion. Its angles of approach, departure, and breakover stand as testament to its audacity. 35.6, 34.3, and 29.6 degrees, respectively. In comparison, the iconic Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, revered for its off-road prowess, boasts a 12.9-inch ground clearance, with approach and departure angles standing at an impressive 47.4 and 40.4 degrees. The Jeep's maximum water-wading height extends to 2.8 feet, a testament to its enduring legacy. In conquering the Rubicon Trail, the Rivian R1S transcended expectations, ushering in a new era where electric power and off-road capability intertwine in harmonious synergy. As we reflect on this remarkable achievement, it becomes evident that the realm of automotive exploration has been forever transformed by Rivian's audacious feat.